In the last class, we have discussed the application of the electrochemical cell. The electrode potential which we get from the electrochemical series, right? It is actually the standard electrode potential which has been taken at the standard conditions, that is standard concentration, 1m concentration, temperature to be kept at 298 Kelvin, right? So it is under in the standard state. But actually it is not possible that the concentration remains as at 1m concentration, right? The concentration varies. Now at that time, what will be the electrode potential? Now this has been solved by the Nernst. He gave the equation called Nernst equation, where he gave the relation between the electrode potential of a cell and its concentration. Now with the change in the concentration, the electrode potential will also change. Now today we are going to discuss the Nernst equation. So what is Nernst equation? It is the equation, or we can say it is the quantitative relation between the electrode potential and the concentration of electrochemical cell. Now let us assume that a reaction is taking place at 298 Kelvin. And the reaction here is Mn positive receiving n number of electrons to get changed into metal. Now this is in the aqueous state, that is solution, and this is the in the solid state. Right. Now according to Nernst, right, the electrode potential, sorry, we can say the electrode, the EMF of the cell, right? First we will get the EMF of the cell. First I use the word electrode potential here. So it is there in this respect we are expressing it. We will first find for the electrode potential. So E Mn positive half cell M. It to get it this, right? Here the concentration will not be equal to 1m. So will be equal to E naught M. Now I think this is clear to what is E naught here. It is the standard electrode potential, or we can say the electrode potential at the standard state, that is 1m concentration, minus RT upon NF natural log molar concentration of M and molar concentration of Mn positive ion. This is Mn positive N minus. Now we are going to express this natural log in term of log. So it will be RT upon NF it is 2.303 RT upon NF log M upon Mn positive. Right. Now we will just place here just 2.303. What is R here? It is a gas constant. We put the value at 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole inverse. And this T is the temperature, that is 298 Kelvin. We have just noted it first here. 298 reaction is going on at 298 Kelvin. Now what is N? N is the number of electrons which will be accepted here. N number of electrons into F is the farad is 96500 coulombs, right? And we'll place here log, and this is M upon Mn positive. Now next step is that we know that in the solid state the concentration of M will be equals to 1. right? So here we will write down log, this is 1 upon Mn positive. Now when we just get these values solved out, right, we will get the equation now here M n positive M equals to E naught M minus 0.059 upon N log 1 upon Mn positive. Right, here we will just simply write down, since the molar concentration of metal in the solid state is equal to 1. Right, so that means from here this is the Nernst equation. Right, and it gives a relation between the electrode potential at any concentration. You can see here the direct relation is there. Mn positive is the concentration of the metal ion. It has not been considered to be fixed as 1. It can vary depending upon the speed of the reaction or depending upon the progress of the reaction. Right, so E Mn positive half cell M is the electrode potential. This E naught Mn positive half cell M, it is the standard electrode potential which is measured at the standard state. 0.059, it is a fixed number here. N is the number of electrons that will be loosed to get it changed into solid state, and log 1 upon Mn positive. This will be the molar concentration of the ion. Now here we get that the electrode potential depends upon the molar concentration of the metal ions.